Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes Fix Auto Shutdown Problem in Windows 7. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Local Machine, click and expand Software. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Create new key named as Windows Update. Create new key named as AU. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as No Auto Reboot with Logged On User. Change value data to 1. Exit and restart system. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type power CFG space, -H space, AW. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.